Hi, my name's Jess from Serious Play. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how quick and easy it is to use our base toppers. All you need is a pair of tweezers, your bases and your models that you want to stick on, also some glue to use with the models, and of course the base toppers. Right, so I'm going to use these 25mm Lush Gales base toppers. So I'll take them out of the pack, get my base, and then all you have to do is simply peel them off the sheet, get your base and stick them down, and then pop a bit of glue on the feet of your model, choose a place, and there you go. Right, so I'm going to use these 32mm slate clef base toppers for my orc. So same thing as before, we'll pull them off the sheet, put the base, stick it down, and again, a bit of glue. So finally, I'm going to use these 40mm Black Wasteland base toppers. So again, get your bases, peel the base toppers off the sheet. You don't always have to use your tweezers, sometimes just using your hands is a bit easier. And there we go. If you liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up and follow us on social media to share pictures of your projects with us.